Hey, yo, what is up mga kaangas, Miss Cat TV here, another day, another life, at another vlog na naman. So for today's video, i-discuss natin yung Memorandum Circular number 1 series of 2025. Kasi somehow maraming public comments, maraming messages na nako-confuse at hindi nila alam yung context ng Memorandum Circular. Bibigay ko po sa inyo yung aking insights. So bali hahatiin natin to sa 4 na parts. So tara, aralin natin. So hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman nating lahat na noong March 16, 2025 ay may naganap na national election sa may Max Restaurant, Luisita, Tarlac.
And in the exigency of appropriate management, Mr. International Chairman, among others, I move that all positions be declared vacant.
Kaya naman, nabakante ang lahat ng national position magsimula sa national chairman hanggang sa pinakababa ng NEC. So again, national lang po ito, hindi kasali ang provincial level, municipal at chapteral level.
That the new national chairman is Colonel June Magno.
Kaya ang ating bagong national chairman ay walang iba kung hindi si Colonel Julius Magno Jr. So, mabalik tayo sa Memorandum Circular. So, sabi dito, to all CIASI 61892 members and officers worldwide. Recall all appointments issued and previously signed by the International Chairman, Attorney Julius Magno, to give way to new mandate of the new leaders to select and elect their respective officers. Madami kasing kumakalat na mga videos, pictures na may mga appointment letters na naganap last year. Iba sa mga rito ay direktang pinapirma kay Attorney Julius Magno. Ibig ko sabihin, nakaprint na yung papel, pupuntahan sa bahay niya at ipapapirma yung appointment. For example, si Tiger Luke pumunta kay Attorney Julius Magno at nakalagay doon na siya na ang bagong Intergalactic Secretary National Chairman. O diba? Tapos ipapublish niya yan online. And syempre lahat tayo, iisipin natin is totoo. Kaya naman napagkasunduan ng buong NEC na kailangan may signature ng National Chairman ng Pilipinas at ng International Vice Chairman, which is nag-iisang tao lang, si Colonel Julius Magno Jr. So, mabalik tayo sa ikatlong part ng letter na ito. Sabi dito, all appointments and confirmation of elected officers in the organization must be submitted officially by the respective Secretary General and duly signed by their National President and National Chairman to forward it to our International and National Secretary General, Engineer Jacqueline L. Reyes, for proper recording of our organization database. So, after ng signature ni IC at ni NC, tsaka pa lang siya papasok sa database or isasubmit sa Secretary General for proper recording. It is further instructed by the International Chairman that all documents are null and void without the proper prerequisite to ensure protocol among our chain of command. Tayong lahat ang magbe-benefit dito sa Memorandum Circular number 1 series of 2025 dahil mas pinatatag nito ang ating protocol at chain of command. Maiiwasan na natin dito yung mga appointment at saka yung mga direktang nag-a-assign or na-appoint nila yung mga sarili nila as one of the national officers nang hindi dumadaan sa board or National Executive Council. Ito po ay hindi gawa-gawa at mas maganda na rin na naipaliwanag nating mabuti at huwag kayong masyadong naniniwala sa mga ibang explanation lalo kung yung null and void lang ang pinapaintindi sa inyo. This will only take effect sa NEC or National Executive Council. So, sabi nga ni National Chairman, status quo lahat ng provincial, municipal at chapters natin. So, yun na nga mga kapatid, no? So, maraming salamat sa panonood and sana mas lumawak pa ang ating nalalaman patungkol dito sa Memorandum Circular na ito. So again, thank you so much for watching and God bless.